Okie dokie. Let's start with the fuel. There's not much left in there. There, okay. Okay, I got my Mastercraft. Little ratchet set here. Oh, let's not make that fall. I don't lose any of these pieces. It's hard doing all this stuff when you're holding the phone. Okay, now, I think that that's close to 10 mil. I could be wrong, but let's just get at her. Let's see 11. Let's see what 11 does. Ooh, that is tight. How does one even get? Well, maybe 12. Or that says 13. That's too big. Way too big. Now, hold on here. I did suspect 10, but I could be wrong. Well, might have to use one of these here. No, that's not it. That's too small. 10. And we did try 11. 11 didn't seem to go. Hold on. Yep. Oh, that'll work. 11 it is. Okay. Let's get this going. You know who I could really use right now? Tommy Tune-Ups. Where are you, Tommy Tune-Ups?